honey buns.
I get sleepy before I come to work. I just get me a nap then.
How about y'all about to check the corn box, see how much we made.
I wanted a little one cheap, but I love running around a convertible this
I ain't got an AMG.
All right, y'all, I'm about to take the chips out and replace this with something else. So I'm about to put some teddy bear cookies in here, and this shelf here. The sour cream didn't do too well, y'all, so I'm gonna switch some things out. The chips, pretty much the chips I didn't sell any chips, but it's slowly going. But I am out of the honey buns. I bought some more honey buns. They is buying out a lot of the honey buns. Okay, so we're about to switch some things out. All right, y'all, about to put some popcorn in here. What's good,